Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Welcome back to another session where we dive deep into the world of vocabulary, aiming to make your GRE preparation a bit more manageable and a lot more fun. Today, let's unravel a word that might just pop up on your GRE, accede. This word, though it may seem a bit intimidating at first, is actually quite useful and versatile once you understand its meaning and applications. It's one of those words that sounds fancy, but is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll be using it like a pro. So what does accede mean? Let's break it down. Well, at its core, accede means to agree to a demand or request. It's like giving in to something after considering it carefully. Think of it as saying yes to something after a bit of persuasion. It's not just a simple yes, but a yes that comes after some thought and perhaps negotiation. For example, you might accede to your friend's suggestion to go for a hike after they promised to buy you lunch. This shows that you agreed after some convincing. But wait, there's more to this word. Accede can also mean to assume a position or office, like when a new king accedes to the throne. This usage is more formal and often used in contexts involving positions of power or authority. It's all about stepping into a role or agreeing to something significant. Whether it's a new job, a leadership role, or any position of responsibility, accede fits perfectly. Now, why is it crucial to know words like accede for the GRE? You might wonder why such specific vocabulary is important. The GRE isn't just testing your vocabulary for the sake of it. It's assessing your ability to understand and use complex language effectively, which is a critical skill in graduate-level studies. It's checking your ability to understand and use complex language effectively. When you come across a word like accede, the test makers want to see if you can grasp its nuances and apply it correctly. When you come across a word like accede, the test makers want to see if you can grasp its nuances and apply it correctly. Here's a quick tip for mastering such words. When you encounter new vocabulary, try to use it in your daily conversations or writing. This practice helps reinforce the word in your memory and makes it easier to recall during the exam. For instance, instead of saying I agreed, you could say I acceded. It might sound a bit formal, but it's great practice and adds a touch of sophistication to your language. It might sound a bit formal, but it's great practice. Using such words in your daily life can significantly boost your confidence and fluency. Let's put accede into action with a couple of sentences to see how it works in different contexts. After much negotiation, the company decided to accede to the union's demands. This shows a formal agreement after discussions. Or, when the CEO retired, she acceded to the role after years of preparation. Here, accede is used to describe stepping into a significant position. See how it adds a bit of sophistication to the statement? Using accede instead of simpler words can make your language more precise and impactful. Knowing these words can give you an edge, not just on the GRE, but in your academic and professional life too. It shows that you can handle complex ideas and communicate them effectively. This skill is invaluable in both academic and professional settings. So, next time you're studying for the GRE, take a moment to really dive into words like accede. Understand them, use them, and make them a part of your vocabulary arsenal. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to your GRE success. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to your GRE success. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as they build up to your ultimate goal. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to assist you in your journey. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy studying and good luck with your GRE preparation.